Chloe, come on. Come see Berkeley. Baby wants to pet you. Oh, baby can't reach you right there. Get a little closer. Oh, are you holding hands? Oh. Berkeley, did you hold Chloe's hand? There. Oh, nuzzle in. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, you could eat the kitty. Yeah. Be gentle. Gentle touches. Yeah. Good job. That's so nice. Oh, oh.